you want to have that intentional release of steam and allow that butter to really start to bring out the color of your onions.
Expert how-tos.
We'll put the butter in first. The butter starts to sizzle. They're going to start to caramelize. We want to get the butter to be nice and foamy, and this is where we're going to start to add our onions. One of the common mistakes of sauteing is to move your pan right away. Shaking your pan is going to diffuse your heat and lower the temperature. All this steam is the water coming off the onions. Now, if I would have continuously kept moving it, the steam would have kept coming off, coming off, coming off. So after about 20 minutes, I constantly reduce the heat as my onions get darker and darker and darker, and put these in a plate and set them aside.